Composition of functions. What is a composite function? If we are given two functions, we can create another function by composing one function into another. The steps required to perform this operation are similar to when any function is solved for any given value. Such functions are called composite functions. So generally, when we say composite function, it is a function that is written inside another function. And when we say composition of a function, it is done by substituting one function into another function. Example, we have this function which can also be written in this way. This is the composite function of f of x and g of x. Now this composite function can be read as f of g of x. And the function g of x is the inner function and the function f of x is the outer function. Hence, we can also read it as the function g is the inner function of the outer function f. Let us have some examples. Given f of x equals x squared plus 5x plus 6 and h of x equals x plus 2, let us find first f of h of 4. Remember, it can also be written in this way. Now let us proceed to the first part. Let us evaluate first h of 4, which is our inner function. Since h of x is equal to x plus 2, substituting 4 to our x, we have h of 4 is equal to 4 plus 2, and the final answer is h of 4 is equal to 6. Once we are done with our inner function, let us proceed to substituting it to our outer function. So let us now evaluate f of h of 4. Knowing that our inner function h of 4 is equal to 6, therefore we now have f of 6. And third, let us evaluate f of 6. Since f of x equals x squared plus 5x plus 6, if we are going to replace x by 6, we will have f of 6 is equal to 6 squared plus 5 times 6 plus 6. And simplifying it, our f of 6 is equal to 72. And therefore, our answer is f of h of 4 is equal to 72. Now let us have another example. Given f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6 and h of x is equal to x plus 2, let us find h of f of 4. Remember that it can also be written in this form. Now let us proceed. First, let us evaluate the inner function, which is f of 4. And since f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6, by substituting 4 to our x, we will have f of 4 is equal to 4x, 4 squared plus 5 times 4 plus 6. Simplifying it, our f of 4 is equivalent to 42. Next is we substitute the value of our inner function to our outer function, meaning to say we are now going to evaluate h of f of 4. And knowing that our f of 4 is equal to 42, then we will have now h of 42. Again, let us evaluate h of 42 by using the function for h, which is h of x is equal to x plus 2. Replacing x by 42, we will have h of 42 is equal to 42 plus 2. And simplifying it, our value now is 44. And our final answer is h of f of 4 is equal to 44. Another example, given f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6 and h of x is equal to x plus 2, let us find f of h of x. Again, this is equivalent to this form. And based on our given, our h of x is equal to x plus 2. Therefore, we are going to look for f of x plus 2. And since our f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6, replacing or substituting x plus 2 to our x, we will have f of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 squared plus 5 times x plus 2 plus 6. To simplify this, for the first term, we are going to apply squaring of binomial. And then for our second term, we are going to apply distributive property. And simplifying it, we will have f of x plus 2 is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 5x plus 10 plus 6. And by combining like terms, we will have f of x plus 2 is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 20. And our final answer is f of h of x is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 20. Another example, given f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6 and h of x is equal to x plus 2, let us find h of f of x. Again, it can also be written in this form. And based on our given, our f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Therefore, we are going to evaluate h of x squared plus 5x plus 6. And since our h of x is equal to x plus 2, and we are going to replace x by x squared plus 5x plus 6, therefore we will have x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 2. And combining like terms, we will get x squared plus 5x plus 8. And therefore, our final answer is h of f of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 8.